Oh, jeez, that's so bad. I don't think I can put this in the video. Hello, today we're making coffee cake. So let's start with a half a cup of softened butter. Here I have a fourth of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of white sugars, right? So like that, bam. Now what you want to do is incorporate as much air as you can into this. So let's get blending. You're going to, we're gonna blend. So let's start blending. Amazing. So now let's scrape down the sides, add your vanilla, like that. Now we're gonna add our eggs too. So 3 room temperature eggs. Let's start cracking. Oh no, that's second egg, a lighter crack. Oh, geez. And the last eggs, we want 3 eggs. And use 2 hands. If you can't use one, because I can't at all use one. Okay, let's start blending more. See how the eggs are kind of volumizing, so they're being doubled right here. So that's us creating air. So we're gonna keep doing that, and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So here I have some canola oil. 1, 2, bam. Now let's get our dry ingredients in. And we're actually gonna do dry ingredients. Oh, almost forgot it. Cinnamon. Whoop. Pumpkin spice. Perfect. And now we're just gonna sift everything together. Mix first. And now we're gonna add our 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and of baking powder and some salt. Bam. And then you have 1 cup and 1/4 of flour. So let's see if that combination of ingredients works out. Take your not so clean sift and start sifting half of your dry ingredients. Fold everything together like this, which is our half of our dry ingredients, right? And now we are going to add our what's gonna make the cupcake moist, which we're gonna be using sour cream. So let's get some sour cream in there. So we're gonna be using half a cup. Sour cream is delicious on pierogies. So now we're gonna add half of that, half a cup, so the 1/4 cup right here. Keep this here. Mix that in. And now you're gonna take half of your the other half of your dry ingredients. Tap that in and until it's all out. Bam. Done. Now add the last bit of your sour cream. Just like that. Ooh. Okay. And now just, again, mix everything together. So, we're back. I have my, I think it's called a streusel. So streusel looks kind of crappy, but that's okay. I split the batter in 2. So here I have a coffee chocolate here, regular vanilla batter. Regular. Now let's start placing the cake. So let's go for it. No time to waste. I have a poutine to eat, so I gotta get this in the oven. First, take a scoop of your vanilla, dump it in. Okay, so now that you have a bit of your vanilla, let's grab some of our chocolate. So you're just gonna dump half in, yeah, like that. And bam, that's it. And start swirling it around, just like that. Now that is Picasso art. Okay. Anyways, so that's it. Don't worry too much about it. Just let it be. Let it be. Here we go. Here we go. Done. Bam. Take some of your streusel with your hands. So clean your hands. Coronavirus is out there. Bam. But not in here, so let's enjoy some cake without coronavirus. Anyways, so sprinkle that in. So just really messy, just like that. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna have a very cinnamony, sugary streusel. So let's watch out. Call your dentist up. That's it. You're done. So wash your hands. Too lazy. Take this and then into the preheated oven at 350. So preheat your oven before you start anything. Let's go. Into the oven. Banana. I will see you in about 45 to 50 minutes. Bye-bye. There you have it, folks. A thing. Ding!
Wow!
So I guess let's get into it.